English alphabet. In this video, I will share with you 26 English letters or alphabet with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for flower. G. G for girl. H. H for horse. I. I for ice. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for 9. O. O for orange. P. P for panda. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for toy. U. U for unicorn. V. V for volcano. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra.